Hi, it's Panda. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Monster Energy Starbucks inspired cookie crumble frappuccino. You're going to need a monster, whatever flavor's fine. I'm using Mocha. I fill the measuring cup up to 1 cup and I add this all to the ice tray. There's going to be about half of the monster left, so I cover it with foil and I store it in the fridge while the rest is freezing. You're going to need half and half. Hershey's chocolate, I like this one because it's more of a fudge consistency. Whipped cream. Lindt dark chocolate. This is the best kind to use because it tastes exactly like the kind Starbucks uses, so if you're wanting your drink to be similar to Starbucks, this is the best one to use. And Oreos. After the monster is frozen, it should look like this. It is a little bit difficult to get them out of the ice tray because they are kind of syrupy, so I had to take them out one by one. I put these in the blender and then set them aside. Add the leftover monster into the measuring cup and then add half and half to make this a full cup. I use 4 Oreos and 4 pieces of chocolate. I put 3 Oreos and 3 pieces of chocolate in the blender and set the other 2 aside because those are going to be toppings. For the cup, I add whipped cream to the bottom and move it around with the straw because I want it to stay at the bottom of the cup when I add the drink. I put chocolate along the sides of the cup and I also swirl it around just to make it look nice. Crumble up the Oreo and the chocolate to add it as a topping. It's finally done, the Monster Energy Cookie Crumble Frappuccino. Now you can enjoy it. It's very sweet and something to enjoy in moderation. I don't drink these daily because that would just be crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be making another video soon. Bye guys!